Hello all, today as part of the economic current affairs through MCQ series, we are going to see the eighth topic that is related to a development finance institution in India which was newly set up under the name NaBFID, that is National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. So NaBFID, we have three statements here. NaBFID will remain outside the purview of CAG, CBC and CBI, a move which is aimed to enable faster decision making. Is it right or wrong? Will this particular entity be remaining outside the ambit of CAG, CBC? Yes, of course, this is a correct statement. Second, entire capital will be infused by the government through budgetary allocation only. Is it right? No, it is wrong, because the entire capital right now around 20,000 crores have been infused as a capital into this particular NaBFID. It has taken shape under the act of the government, that is, it is now a statutory body. This 20,000 crore has been initially seeded as capital, but the government's aim is to make it into a 1 lakh crore company, that is having a capital or equity or paid up capital of nearly 1 lakh crore, whereby the other investors or the stakeholders will be coming from foreign institutions, from banks and other financial intermediaries. Third statement, it will also be facilitating the development of the market for bonds, loans and derivatives for infrastructure financing. Will they be giving direct loans, or will they be facilitating a market which will support indirect lending to infrastructure projects? Well, of course, the focus here is to both support the infrastructure segment directly, because we are pushing for a national infrastructure pipeline. So direct financing will be given, indirect financing will be given, and along with that, another mandated goal or the functions of this NaBFID is to deepen the bond and derivative markets, especially the market which caters to the infrastructure segment in India. So third statement is obviously right. No need to overthink about it. The second statement alone is incorrect. You might have a doubt about the first statement. First statement is also correct, because that's how we have conceived this NaBFID. So first is correct, third is correct. Therefore, again, the option A, that is 1 and 3 only, will be the correct option. A little bit more about NaBFID. So NaBFID, last year in the budget of 2020, the government decided, 2021, sorry, they decided to set up a developmental finance institution. What is this DFI? This DFI is not a new concept in India. We have been having DFI since 1948 with the setup of the IFCI, International Financial Corporation of India. So this is the first one. Then we had even HDFC and ICICI were actually established as a developmental finance institutions. These development finance institutions, unlike bank, one again another statement we have not put in the question is, they will not be allowed to keep deposits. They will not be allowed to keep deposits. Okay, so this is very crucial for leveraging our situation or raising the capital for infrastructure in the next coming years. That's why this particular bank has been established. So this will be set up as a corporate body with a capital of 1 lakh crore rupees, out of which 20,000 has been already pumped in by the government, and the other shares of the NaBFID may be held by central government. It could be through multilateral institutions, wealth funds, etc. So now at present we have not invited anybody, because even though we have established, it has not taken concrete shape. While we are discussing, just a few weeks ago, the government decided to appoint KV Kamath as the director of this particular company. Okay, so it is under development, but we do know that how the functions are going to be. So the ultimate aim of the government is to reduce its share from 100% to 26%. It will have a very minimal shareholding in this particular company. Now let's just try other questions. Let's say other statements. Will it allow or will it give loans to foreign companies? Yes. Will foreigners be allowed to invest in this particular company? Yes. Concessional loans. Will the government give guarantee in any forms? Yes. Guarantees for the government for certain amount of loans taken from the foreign companies will be present. So these are some micro details that you should know, and also please revise this topic, and that's the main intention of having this particular series. That's all for today. We'll see in the next video.